Golly gee, this publication looks really professional. Am I going to learn lots of interesting facts and mind-expanding ideas?
No! The publication is narrated by Red the Buffalo and River the Raccoon. I really like the two characters, especially the way they play fast and dirty with the English language. When I see sentences starting with and but, well, it makes me happy, especially since it was never a rule anyway.
What are you talking about? Of course there are rules! No, you grammar Nazi. There aren't any rules about starting sentences with conjunctions. Your underwears are just too tight.
I won't waste your time mentioning all the strange grammar used in this publication. This is a video about poor quality education, not grammar, so I'll just simply leave you with this sentence. I personally find the grammar entertaining, even if it isn't suitable for science curriculum, but I can't stand how Red and River often make assumptions about what the reader knows. At one point, they refer to the Great Plains and say, "You know what great means."
Not really. Merriam-Webster has over 3 entries and over 10 different meanings for the word great. Isn't this publication supposed to be teaching me?
The document also assumes that I know where the Red River is. It says it forms part of the border between Texas and Oklahoma, but a picture would really go a long way.
If you don't like the English and grammar, then you're not going to like the rest of the document either, because the rest of it's What? I can't say Well, I'll just fix that in post.
Moving on to the science, the paper lacks pictures to help students better visualize the geography. Geography doesn't stop at the border, and it has broad implications about land use. The periodical isn't just bad because it isn't fleshed out or grammatically appalling to most people. It tells outright lies. Red and River refer to themselves as mammals because they are warm-blooded animals with backbones. You know what's warm-blooded and has a backbone? A chicken. Your child quite possibly now thinks a chicken is a mammal. How did that stinking pile of poo get in there? I don't know, but Red and I have our suspicions.
It's all extremely horrible, but what I hate most is the way that they renamed the EPA ecoregions in unhelpful and often deceptive ways. To be fair, it's not exactly their fault. They used the names made up by the Oklahoma Department of Tourism. This paper really is more of a travel pamphlet than an educational document. I won't bore you with all the problems with their renaming scheme. I'll just select a few. The Arkansas Valley, probably so named because it's a valley that is mostly in Arkansas and divides the 2 mountain ranges, got renamed to Hardwood Forest. The southeast corner, known as the South Central Plains, was renamed Cypress Swamps and Forest. Let me tell you how disappointed you will be if you go there for the swamp. It's actually part of the Piney Woods. It goes into Texas and becomes the Sam Houston National Forest. There are some swamps and some alligators, but for the most part, it's forest. I know my video has errors and is incomplete, but let me assure you, I already spent more time on it than Studies Weekly did on their whole paper.